From Samuel Software, and in today's video we'll see how to add sales order types. So let's go. First click on sales module, then select the submodule of sales order types. Click on the four dots or more options where you will see add type option over there. From the same menu you can also export the list of sales order types through CSV, Excel and PDF. To create a new sales order type, just click on Add Type. Enter the required details such as description and GL and set the active as yes. I will just add it. Enter the description, GL, select any chart of account you want. Set active as yes and click on Save button to create a new entry. Once the save, new entry will appear on the index page. From the actions, you will perform view, edit and delete action. You can also use the filter option to filter and find specific sales order type entries using filter. This is how you can quickly filter your sales order types. This is how you can add your sales order types. If you get any queries to add your sales order type, then please connect us at contact us@sunmosoftware.com. See you in the next video.